Looking for the perfect walking pad to stay active at home or at your desk? Today I'm ranking 5 popular options from weakest to best, so you can find the one that truly fits your lifestyle. This one sits at the bottom of our list, and that's the Sperax walking pad. It's the most basic option here, designed mainly for light walking and casual movement, rather than serious workouts. It's small, easy to slide under a desk, and super light, which makes it great if you're short on space or want something you can move around easily. The app support and remote control are nice touches, and the vibration feature is a fun extra for people who like that kind of thing. But compared to the others, it's clearly more limited. The motor is weaker, the top speed is lower, and it just doesn't feel as solid or powerful as the rest of the lineup. If you want to walk briskly or push yourself a bit, you'll probably feel held back. So this one is best for someone who just wants to move a little more during the workday and doesn't care about speed, intensity, or extra features. If you're looking for something a bit more capable, the next option steps things up. By the way, you'll find links to all the products from this review at the best price in the description under this video. Next up is the Yagud walking pad, which already feels like a more serious piece of equipment compared to the Sperax. It's still simple, but it's built more for steady daily walking. You get a stronger motor, a wider and more stable walking surface, and a display that shows your basic stats like time and distance. It feels smoother, more solid, and better suited for regular use, especially if you plan to walk for longer sessions. The downside is that it's still pretty limited. There's no incline, no folding frame, and no app features, so what you see is what you get. It also doesn't go much faster than the Sperax, so it's not ideal if you want to jog or walk very fast. This one is great for people who want a simple, reliable walking pad without paying for extras they won't use. If you want more flexibility and a bit more challenge, the next option adds that. If this video is helping you, go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews like this. The Abonow walking pad lands in the middle of the list because it brings something new to the table: incline. That alone makes it more interesting for people who want to burn more calories without increasing speed. It still keeps a compact, under-desk-friendly design, but now you can raise the deck slightly to make walking feel more like going uphill. That's great for your legs and for keeping workouts from feeling boring or too easy. On the flip side, the incline is manual, not automatic, and it still doesn't fold up or connect to an app. So while it adds challenge, it doesn't add much in terms of convenience or smart features. This one is perfect for walkers who want a bit more intensity, but still want something simple and space-saving. If you want more power, higher speed, and a more complete experience, the next model takes things further. Now we're getting into more advanced territory with Urevo. This is a true hybrid that works both as a walking pad and a small treadmill for light running. It folds, it connects to an app, and it offers a much higher top speed than the previous models. That means you can walk during work hours and then fold up the handle and jog later, all on the same machine. It's versatile, smart, and space-friendly at the same time. The trade-off is that it's bigger, heavier, and more expensive than the simple walking pads. It's also not built for very intense or long-running sessions like a full-size treadmill would be. This one is ideal for people who want flexibility and like mixing walking with light jogging without buying a huge treadmill. But if you want the most complete package in this category, there's one more option that stands out. At the top of the list is the YPOO folding treadmill. It combines almost everything people want in this category into one balanced package. You get foldability, incline, app control, multiple ways to adjust settings, and a sturdy build that supports higher weight than most others here. It's powerful enough for fast walking and light jogging, and flexible enough to fit into a home or office setup. Its only real downsides are that it's larger and costs more than the simpler pads, but that's the price you pay for getting more features and more flexibility. This is the best choice for most people who want one machine that can grow with them, from slow walks to more active workouts, without taking over the whole room. If you want to see the top products again and check current prices, use the links in the description under the video. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this.